Hello everyone. So if you want to update all apps on your Android phone at once, or simply you want to see some more update options, here's how to do that. So let's start with your classic updating method. So simply open up your Play Store. Now let's press search and search for the application which you think might need an update. For example, our YouTube. So if the update is available, you will see this update button. Simply tap on update, give it some time depending on the update size, and let it be updated. So update is being installed. It takes some time. Now simply press open and use it as you usually do. Let's go back to our main page on our Play Market because we will need it right now. The other method is more complex one. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. After that, we gotta press manage all apps and devices. Now tap on all apps up to date or see recent updates. And here you can manage your updates. So that's how you do this. Simply press updates available, press check for updates. All of my applications are up to date. However, if you want to update them, you can pick one, you can pick many apps and choose the update option. Basically, that's how it works. So profile icon, manage updates available. That's how you do this. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.